Sister trying to take on the world number one.
With that first,
We've got fans from China and the stands are filling up as well. This is really heartening to see as they've come to. We've got to witness the stars of the table tennis world here at the Kalinga Stadium. Well, she went for the backhand and
that's how they kind of maintain their dominance, whether it is long or short.
now having spent 5 days with you in the commentary. An early lead now though, 4-1. Oh, thunderous.
Oh, that was a quite a attack there.
Louder, and that is because if you actually see that Sun Yingxia is trailing at the moment now.
Of the country, fans play such an important role there.
And I've really liked one more thing is that around, but I have not yet managed to spot him. Athlete loses a point, that's when they are loudest. And Sachin, as you pointed it out, it's really intrigued us.
Miwa Harimoto was,
Yes, lead is getting closer, of course.
when in doubt, Sun Yingxia. Our patience, and now you would see a lot of mind game here. But that back.
It's only the Olympic gold. Now that's gone out. And definitely she would have set her sights on that.
Oh, bit of a.
Scorecard will still indicate that Miwa is a little close. But we've got to look beyond the scorecard, right?
A rally full of aggression from both the players.
Capturing the natural brilliance of all these table tennis players.
Sun Yingxia missed out.
These are two critical serves for her. If she can somehow inch ahead, no, she would not. Now it's going to be game point.
Sun Yingxia looks. She's short but very, very powerful.
And the first game has gone to the world number one up against Miwa Harimoto. Just showing
Miwa Harimoto was on.
Chinese, and we've got the top 5 from the world, all in the women's team from China. This time, so got Lin Shidong there as well in the top 5. Onto the net there.
She could take a lot more tips from her brother, who has got a powerful backhand.
But as we have seen, right, it's such a, the men's and women's game, we see such a difference in the styles of this. So, you know, when you look at, whenever I've seen the Olympics, I've really liked to see the mixed doubles. Because it combines the best of both worlds.
Oh, Harimoto. 4. Miwa to serve.
A change in the service by the looks of it, but it hasn't worked.
Look at the power, 80% power. That's good enough for her to dominate.
Torch bearer for the Japanese was her brother, of course, Tomakazu. And she's hit that
deep in
out.
the forehand.
And it showed that these things are possible in the world of table tennis. But now Japan have got to believe.
Oh, Sun Yingxia made the complete.
This is the ranking at the end of the 41st week, not after the end of the last week. So there may be a bit of a difference now. 30s at 34. Now that's quite a difference because I'll bring in the contrast.
Now with this point, 6 game point. Right textbooks for table tennis. Power rally. Outpowered. Sun Yensha completely outpowered Harimoto. Giving her no room for that forehand shot. Yes, she's trying to bring change with reverse pendulum, but not. Oh, Miwa had perfectly set here. Now it's all mind game. Miwa has to play.
Misses that. An early lead to travel all the way and come towards us here.
Oh, it was a long
17 years old but is vastly experienced, 433 matches. Sun Yensha, 7 years older but has played about the same number of matches, 472.
Now it's a beautiful flick by.
Notice something different?
Apart from the combo for that aggressive backhand in the forehand.
And as you had mentioned, and we had seen the graphic as well, where she was attacking the backhand.
That's pressure in the center of the table. Oh, this time looks like Sunny Yensha has delivered.
Yes, that was a good. Oh, she had set the pace on that.
Such a hard backhand she has. Oh, well defended by Sunny Yensha.
This is the juncture where Harimoto has to give it her all. Oh, but it's not just happening.
I would love to tell the viewers in the Fan Zin Dong, in terms of the consistency.
This is the moment for you to turn things around. And if she's going to play like that, this time with that.
She's clearly demonstrating her backhand as well.
Oh, this time.
Long ball.
Now, what would have been the ideal position?
Right now, looking at the position, Harimoto to defend that score, even though the ball touched the net twice.
Yes, when we arrived here at the stadium, we could see that both teams were practicing in the warm-up area. Some of them also came. The Japanese team who played the final last year, who's playing here. And maybe the world number one just taking control now.
By Sunny Yensha. Then she has taken with that ripping.
The world number one is possibly preventing an encore of last year's championship.
Sun is shining there. Definitely on the table.